We on our way to the ambulance. It's fucked up. She ain't tried to get out the damn car. Crazy ass.
She asking for cigarettes and something.
Liquor. She trying to get fucked up because she knows she's finna be in the hospital for a minute. So she trying to get fucked up.
She said she gotta go to work in the morning.
I'm finna go up here and be nice.
No, I'm not saying I ran no light. You got your insurance card?
That girl just stopped up there and said that you ran that light.
Who?
That girl, she said she was watching.
I ain't no light, baby. My light was green.
Don't
What girl? It wasn't nobody here when we crashed. That man heard the crash and came back.
That lady, I'm telling you.
The lady saying that.
I don't know him.
Whoever you talking about, telling the damn lie.
She just came up there and said that girl ran that light.
Where she come from?
She was, I don't know.
Exactly.
Where all these people came from.
Don't talk to neither one of them.
Because she knows she in the wrong.
All that organ ain't gonna get it.
No. She said, fuck that. Oh, she is. That girl said they ran that light. She stopped right there in my car and said she ran that light. Y'all know that? I heard that. There she go right there. Who said that? Put their ass on camera too. Oh, who was that? What's her name?
Yeah.
Oh, no, that ain't her name. Shit, I can't see. I just know she got a white car and she pulled up and said that girl ran that light. Got her ass smashed. Boom. That's what the girl said. I don't know. I was finna go to the club and I just seen them walking trying to see if they was dead. The girl pulled up on me.
Here come your wife. Here come Jackie.
They hit hard too. We heard that all the way down there. Down the street, a boy dead.
I'm recording all this shit. Nah, baby, I'm singing.
Down the street.
What? What happened?
The 17-year-old got shot up.
When, y'all?
Just as soon as this happened, that was happening.
I knew I seen some lights down there.
Ain't that crazy? That's crazy, boy. The kids don't want to live.
Yes, I know. Yeah, 229.